This is the funniest parade I've ever seen in my life. This is actually not really a parade, but it's a bunch of equipment rolling down the train tracks here, going through Old Metairie. And I already saw like 15 or 20 passing by. I came to get our muffaladas and Nordos. But this is funny as all get out. It's like a damn parade. And they're honking their horns like they are in a parade. He clapped his little hand. That is so funny. I hope this is videoing. Yeah, it is. Here comes the next one. There you go. Got his lights on. Beep beep. Yay. I mean, this is the funniest thing I ever saw in my life. I don't know how many there is. And these guys think they're in the best parade ever. And they're all waving. Look at those little pieces of equipment. And they have their little shade thing. There's always a lagger. Just like every good parade in New Orleans. We got a little slowpoke back here. This is the wildest thing ever. And then way back there you can see that there's like some kind of thing moving the cross beams. Alright, there's one more. He's trying hard to catch up. This little guy. Obey the 25-foot rule. Oh, he's not waving. He's very serious about catching up. There's one little bitty fast one. And here's the guy with the little cross beams. Little railroad ties. Earlier he was dropping them off down there. There's the caboose, the final of the parade, the cleanup crew. He kind of looks like the cleanup crew. The parade. All right, there we go.